Hi, welcome back to this week's Better Health in 90. I'm Jessica Lenahan, Kinetic Health Program Manager here at Apex Benefits. It's hard to believe it, but the holidays are already here and it's time to celebrate with family and friends, and of course, delicious food. But with all those rich traditional holiday dishes, it can be easy to feel guilty about reaching those health goals. But don't worry, hosting a healthy holiday dinner is absolutely doable and you don't have to sacrifice any of the festive flavors that you love. Here's some tips for creating a balanced holiday meal that's both savory as well as healthy. First and foremost, start by snacking smart. Light appetizers like a vegetable platter with hummus, caprese bites, or stuffed mushrooms are perfect for keeping guests satisfied without filling them up before the main meal. And for the main event, turkey. Turkey is a classic lean protein option. To keep it moist and flavorful, brine your turkey and baste it with butter. If you're not a turkey fan though, try roasting a whole chicken instead. Sides often steal the show, and for good reason. Consider swapping out those heavier ingredients in our beloved holiday dishes for something lighter. Try making your sweet potato casserole with a pecan crumble topping instead of marshmallows, mashed potatoes with Greek yogurt, or try swapping out your heavy cream soup and instead make a roasted green bean with almonds for a delicious alternative to the classic green bean casserole. And to end your meal, offer something healthier, like chocolate-covered fruit or sweet potato bites. These satisfy those sweet tooth cravings without that sugar overload. This holiday season, you can still enjoy all the flavors with none of the guilt. With a little planning, you can create a healthy and festive meal that everyone is sure to love. And that's a wrap for this week's Better Health in 90. We'll see you next time.